Hey everyone, this is Mike from Guitar Essentials, and the theme song we're going to do today is the SpongeBob SquarePants theme song. So we're going to start with the open second string, and then we're going to hit 3rd fret on that string, and we can just use our first finger. Some people may prefer to use their ring finger. I'm just going to use my first finger. So 3rd fret on the 2nd string. I'm going to hit the open 1st string, back to the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, open 2nd, open 3rd, open 2nd, back to 3rd fret on the 2nd string, open 1st string, back to 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and then open 2nd. So slow, that's this. Alright, so that's the first part, and when they say SpongeBob SquarePants, you could do it as a single note. You could do it as a G chord, a full bar G chord, or just maybe a partial bar chord where you're just doing 3rd fret on the 1st and 2nd string, and then 2nd finger on the 3rd string, 4th fret. You could even add the 3rd finger here. So there's possibilities, but if you want to make it simple, just use one note. So this is the next part. And this is how we do this. It's primarily all on the 1st string. So open, 3rd fret with the 1st finger, 5th fret with the 3rd finger, back to the 3rd fret with the 1st finger. Now try to keep that, if you can, keep the 1st finger down because you're going to go back to it. Now we skip a string and hit 5th fret on the 3rd string, and we use a ring finger, 3rd finger. And then we do that same thing on the 1st string. And then we can hit the 8th fret on the 1st string, the C note. And we can do a chord too. These chords kind of have a Hawaiian feel to it, which is very SpongeBob-y. So I'll play where we're at up to this point. All right, and you notice the first time I did single notes, the second time I did the chords. Okay, so the next part is this. So that's just 3-0, and you can use whatever finger. Maybe we'll just keep it with the 1st finger. 3-0, 3-0 on the 1st and 2nd string. Then you repeat that. So you do it 3 times. And then you go 3 on the 2nd string, open 1st, 2nd fret on the 1st string, 3rd fret on the 1st string. So, and then there's some background stuff going on, which we won't do, and then it finalizes with. So what that is it's 3rd, mostly on the 1st string, you're using 3rd fret with the 1st finger, then 5th fret with the 2nd finger, then 7th fret with the pinky. And it goes 3, 5, 7, 5, 7, 3. And then on the 2nd string, you hit 3rd fret, and you slide to the 8th fret. Now to make that slide really nice, once you hit the 3rd fret, really look at the 8th fret. look at where you're going and you'll nail that. So, all right. You could also do that where this is a G note. You could do the G note here. I just first learned it that way, so I kind of stick with that way. Doesn't matter, there's a little slight sound difference, that's up to you. So here's a slowed down version of it so we can play the whole song through. Okay, and here it is fast. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. We'll see you in the next lesson.